Hello students, this video is for grade LKG. So let us start. In this sheet we have 3 different parts in which we will get to know about 3 different subjects which are English, Maths and EVS. So let us start with our first subject which is of English. The question is read and learn opposite words. Okay, we are having so many opposite words here. We have to read and learn these words. यहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे opposite words दिए हैं, इन्हें हमें read करना है और learn करना है. Okay, let's speak it. H A double P Y happy, sad. S A D sad, happy, sad. Hot. H O T hot. Cold. C O L D cold. Hot, cold. Long, short. L O N G long. Short. S H O R T short. Thick. T H I C K thick. Thin. T H I N thin. Big. B I G big. Small. S M A double L small. Heavy. H E A V Y heavy. Light. L I G H T light. Far. F A R far. Near. N E A R near. Far, near. Inside. I N S I D E inside. Outside. O U T S I D E outside. Top. T O P top. Bottom. B O double T O M bottom. Day. D A Y day. Night. N I G H T night. Open. O P E N open. Close. C L O S E close. goes. Left. L E F T. Left. Right. R I G H T. Right. More. M O R E. More. Less. L E double S. Less. Happy. Sad. खुश. उदास. Hot. Cold. गर्म. ठंडा. Long. Short. लंबा. छोटा. Thick. Thin. मोटा. पतला. Big. Small. बड़ा. छोटा. Heavy. Light. भारी. हल्का. Far. Near. दूर. Pass. Inside. Outside. अंदर. बाहर. Top. Bottom. ऊपर. नीचे. Day. Night. दिन. रात. Open. Close. खुला. बंद. Left. Right. More. Less. ज़्यादा. कम. Understood? So we have to read and learn these opposite words. Now let's move to the next section, which is of maths. Circle the shape which has 22 in numbers. Okay. आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं. आपको शेप्स को काउंट करना है. जो भी शेप्स 22 होंगे उन्हें आपको कलर करना है. ओके. स्टार या फिर ट्रायंगल में से कोई एक ही ग्रुप होगा जिसमें 22 शेप्स ड्रॉ होंगे, और जिसमें 22 शेप्स होंगे सिर्फ आपको उन्हीं शेप्स को कलर करना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो फॉर दैट यू विल काउंट. पहले आप काउंट करेंगे कि कितने हैं, एंड देन ओनली यू विल कलर. ओके. स्टार और ट्रायंगल में से सिर्फ एक ही ग्रुप को कलर करना है. ओके. ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स और ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स. Now let's move to our last section, which is of EVS. Read and learn. Things that have life are living things. वो चीज़ें जिनमें जान होती है उन्हें हम living things कहते हैं. They can move, growth and breathe. वो बढ़ सकते हैं, move मतलब हिल सकते हैं, और सांस भी ले सकते हैं. They need food and water. उन्हें खाना और पानी की ज़रूरत भी होती है. Things that have life are living things. They can move, grow and breathe. They need food and water. So you have to learn these paragraphs as it is very important. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well, but if you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.